How to pause Find My Location without them knowing on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Find My app, then swipe up on this window. As you can see, Share My Location is turned on. Simply turn it off and it will freeze your existing location. Now move to the second method. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID. Next, scroll down and tap Find My. If Share My Location is turned on, simply turn it off. Now move to the third method. Go back to Settings, then search for Location Services and tap it. Turn it off, and that's it. Your Find My Location is successfully turned off. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.